vegetables are safe and fresh.
We grew them ourselves.
We did a great job.
Yes, we did it together. Look at this. They are ready.
We did it.
Can I pick them, Mom?
Yes, be gentle.
These look really fresh.
Because we grew them with care. They look amazing. We want to share these with you. Thank you. These are better than the market. My mom grew them. No one buys from me anymore. All because of her. If she has no vegetables, people will come back. Let's harvest some more today. No.
Mom, what happened? What happened?
Someone did this.
We just gave them away yesterday. Why?
Mom, it's okay.
No, it's not. I tried so hard. I did everything right.
We can rebuild.
Maybe. I should stop.
Look at this. These footprints are not ours, and they look very fresh.
So, someone came here last night and destroyed our garden.
There is a camera in that house. Maybe it recorded everything last night.
Yes. Let's go and ask them. Maybe we can see what really happened.
Can we check your camera, please? We think something bad happened last night.
Of course. Come inside. I also heard some strange noise very late at night. Wait, I know that person. I saw her before near our house.
It is the vegetable Jessica from the street. I cannot believe she did this.
I trusted her vegetables. Why would she hurt us like this? She really did this? This is so wrong and very dishonest.
We bought vegetables from her many times. This is scary.
Your vegetables are not safe, and now we know you lied to everyone. You even destroyed other people's gardens. How could you do that? I am sorry. I did not think it would become like this. I just needed money. I know it was wrong, but I was too greedy and did not stop.
My stomach hurts so much. I think it is from the vegetables we ate yesterday.
We should go to the hospital now. This does not feel normal. Some people are getting sick after eating her vegetables. This is very serious.
We should stop buying from her. This is not safe for anyone.
What have I done? I hurt so many people because of my bad choice. I feel very dizzy, and my chest hurts. I cannot breathe well. Please help her. She is in danger now. We cannot just stand and watch. After everything I did to you, Why are you still helping me like this? Because right now, you need help, and I cannot ignore someone in pain. I am really sorry. I was wrong, and now I feel very ashamed of myself. You made a mistake, a very serious one, but you still have a chance to change.
Mom, even after she hurt you, you still chose to help her. I think that is very brave.
Sometimes doing the right thing is hard, but we still have to do it. We cannot control what others do, but we can choose who we want to be. Oh, it fits me again. I cannot believe this is my body now. I really changed because of my new habits and healthy food.
Wow, you look amazing today. I almost cannot recognize you.
Really? I just feel like myself again, and it feels so good.
Mom, you are so beautiful today. Like a princess in my story.
Thank you, my love. Are you ready for your big day at school?
I want both of you to go with me today. Please do not miss it.
Of course, we will go together and support you.
Welcome, everyone! Family Day is finally here. Come on in, please.
Is that Mia's mom? She looks very different today.
Yes, she looks so healthy and confident now.
Wait, that is Mia's mom? I cannot believe my eyes right now. She looks so pretty, not like before at all. Mom, everyone is looking at you. I feel so proud right now.
I am just happy to be here with you today. That is enough for me.
You see? Your hard work really changed everything around you.
Yes, and I did not give up this time, even when it was hard. Welcome everyone to our Family Day. Today we will share stories about our families.
Are you okay now? You look a little nervous.
Yes, but this time I feel stronger than before.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our first annual Family Day celebration.
Wow.
I'm so glad you're all here.
Amazing.
He's doing.
And now, our next student is Mia. Please come to the stage.
Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about my mom again.
I hope she is okay this time.
Before, I said something that made people laugh, and I did not feel good about it. But now, I want to say something true about my mom. My mom is not perfect, but she always tries her best for our family. She works very hard, even when she is tired and wants to give up. She changed her life because she loves me, and she wants to be a better mom. And when someone hurt her, she still chose to help that person. For me, my mom is the strongest and kindest person I know.
Thank you, my little girl.
I am very proud of my mom, and I love her very much.
That was a beautiful and honest story. Thank you, Mia, for sharing with us.
You did it. I am really proud of you.
We did it, together as a family.
beautiful again, and it looks even better than before.
Yes, because we did not give up, even when it was very hard. Thank you for these clean vegetables. We really trust you. I am sorry for everything. I want to change and do better. If you really want to change, you can start again like we did. Mom, we are growing more than vegetables. We are growing something, G. Yes, we are growing a better life.